To achieve this face expression technique, as seen in the short film Watermelon Girl by SouthernShotty, download this free set of PNG images from his Gumroad page. Using the Import Images as Planes add-on, select the first PNG file. Check Animate Image Sequence and Shadeless, then click on Import. In Material or Render View you can see the texture. Double check that the image node is set to Image Sequence. Now you can use the offset value to cycle through the expressions. Add a subdiv modifier set to simple, as well as a shrink wrap modifier to the plane. Use the character as the target and increase the offset slightly as needed. Parent the face to the character to make sure it moves along with it. Now you can set keyframes in the offset field to animate the face. By setting interpolation mode to constant, less keyframes are needed.